Okay, so I used these cheap dollar store, or thrift store as well. That's a thrift store. This is a dollar store. Severed of feet. I used my soldering iron, which I already put away, and I put a hole through each end. And then I used coat hangers, and I cut them. And now what I'm going to do is, well, then I bent them with my heat gun. And after I bent them, and I used this to bend them so my fingers wouldn't burn, I put them in here like this. I made the ends sharp. And now I'm going to use my hot glue gun, and I'm going to hot glue gun this and the one in there that just fell out. This was a double one. I couldn't get through, so this is going to be a double one. I'm going to hot glue gun those in and let the hot glue gun drip, and then I'm going to paint those drips red so it looks like blood, and then just actually cover it with probably fake blood when we hang it up. And yeah, I saw these for 20 bucks at the Halloween store. So a couple coat hangers and 99-cent severed arms. Voila, you have a hooked hand by just using, like I said, cut up coat hangers, a heat gun, a glue gun, and voila. And I'll show you the end product. So here I glued it on there. I am going to paint these hooks. I forgot to tell you that. I have silver paint. I'm going to paint them silver, and then I'm going to put blood on it, of course. But you could also use Gorilla Glue. Gorilla Glue also like drips, and it kind of looks like blood when it bubbles. I'm just lazy and I don't know where it is right now, so I didn't get it. And I had the hot glue gun here ready to go. So there's one. It's drying. And like I said, I'm going to paint them silver. I forgot to tell you. Okay, so I painted them silver. They're drying. I'm sad to say that tonight's our opening night. If I'm doing props last minute, which is sad. If I had time, I would have done this with Gorilla Glue, let it dry 24 hours, and then paint it. But I got hours, minutes, seconds. So this is my fastest way of doing this. I think it's going to take me about 30 minutes with all of it from start to complete. I seriously have more workspace than this, but I'm working on my Rocket cosplay. I have stuff up here. Oh, there's my coffee. Thank goodness. Oh, sweet nectar of the gods. Cosplay. It's just, everything's a mess right now. Anyways, I'm going to paint the blood red. I have gel stain that I also kind of like put on the hooks a little bit, dab on there, maybe a little mix with the red so it looks a little bit more real. And these puppies will be done. Okay, so I'm going to let those dry for a little bit, and then I will put a little bit of my gel stain on it just to make it look a little dirtier. Oh, crap. Now there's red paint on my carpet. That's what I get for doing this. Anyways, okay, so we're going to let them dry. Ah! Got feathers everywhere. Okay, there they are. They're drying. So I came outside and I sprayed them real quick with an acrylic sealer, and that way it also makes it a little shiny. And that's far away, lit up, you know, they don't look so bad. And we'll put them with our butcher, our pigman butcher, and he will have fun with these. So you all can do this. I think it took me, I swear, 30 minutes, a little longer with some dry time in between, but not bad for a dollar store. Severed hands and feet, it's a coat hanger, some paint, and voila, you got a couple dollar haunt prop for cheap, cheap, cheap.